So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna give you complete review of Lotus Botanicals Red Onion Hair Fall Control Shampoo, which prevents hair fall and stimulates hair regrowth. Guys, before a month I was also suffering from my hair loss, dullness of hairs, and I was searching out for a nice shampoo which can prevent my hair loss and regrowth my hair, so that it will look more healthier, and then I got suggested to use this Lotus Botanicals Red Onion Hair Fall Control Shampoo, and I'm using it and I'm loving it. So I just want to share the complete review with you all. It has the goodness of onion, which controls hair falls and stimulates hair regrowth, which is really necessary. It's 300 ml quantity and the price is 495 only. The best part of it is certified safe cosmetics, no preservatives, no toxic chemicals, sulfate free, silicone free, and synthetic color free. This is its pack, which is branding over here, and the complete information is there at the back side. It is a pump system, it's there, and you can open this nozzle and then you can use this with an arrow mark. Here I would like to take a chance to show you the texture of it. It is in gel form. Yeah, see, and its nice mild fragrance is really beautiful. So guys, here I am, towel dried up my hairs, and see the luster of my hair. I'm in love with this luster. I just love it. Guys, today I will not use the hair dryer because I just love my hairs to be dried in a natural way, in the air only. That I feel that is more healthier for our hair, and there is less of hair fall in that way. At the very same time, I would just like to share my experience with you all with this shampoo, the Lotus Botanicals Red Onion Hair Fall Control Shampoo. That is, guys, when I was washing my hairs, the aroma I was getting was so natural and aesthetic. I just enjoyed having my shampoo with it. At the very same time, I just felt that in my other washes, my hair fall continues, but in this wash with this shampoo, Lotus Botanicals Red Onion Hair Fall Control Shampoo, I have not lose any of my hair, and that was awesome for me. Isn't it, guys? Hairs are so precious, and I'm just loving it, this shampoo, and I would like to recommend all of you to do try it on if you also have a problem of hair loss, hair fall, and you, even if you want to regrowth your hair, there is a goodness of onion in this shampoo, and definitely it will stimulate your hair growth as well. One pump of this shampoo will create enough leather on your hairs that you will feel it to be clean. Till then, my hairs are getting dry up, and I'll show you after combing my hair. You just subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification on, and don't forget to like the video. It is truthful review for you all only. Combing my hair, and I would just like to share my experience that I don't need a serum or a conditioner after using this shampoo, and even my hairs have got straighten up and detangled really very easily. And I'm just loving with this effect what I have got in my hairs. So yeah, I would just like to recommend all of you to use Lotus Botanical Red Onion Hair Fall Control Shampoo. Prevents hair fall and stimulates hair growth, which is really necessary to keep our hair fresh, healthy.